Hi guys, I am Isa, and today we're going to learn how to set up VS Code. So of course, first you've got to install VS Code. So I'll just go to the downloads folder. I've already installed VS Code. Installing VS Code should be pretty simple. You just go to the website. So you just go to the website, and then press the download button, and then download, and then run the installer. Then you should get here. This is how VS Code looks like when you first install it. So first, gonna install this stuff. First, you have to choose your theme. I'm gonna install another theme after this. So I'm not gonna pick any of these. We support for other languages. So in case you have a language that's not supported by VS Code, natively, if you know what I mean, like C or C sharp, you got install extension for those. And then tune your settings. We're gonna do that later. And then there's the command palette. We're also gonna talk about that later. And yeah, that's about it. Okay, let's just close everything. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna install the extensions that we need to install. So first, how about a theme? So if we just search up theme, there are a bunch of themes you can use. How about install this theme? Also this icon pack as well, because why not? So now but how do you change the theme? Well, there are two ways. You can either use the command palette, Control Shift P. The command palette is basically just a place where you can access all of VS Code's commands. Or you can go to File, Preferences, and Theme, Color Theme. Also, the same thing for the icon theme. Command palette, icon, theme. Uh, anyways, so yeah, now we've set all of that. So next, you've got to install any language extensions. For example, if you code in C or whatever, extensions like these. So like, for example, they have a Python extension. Since I call it Python a lot, I'm gonna install that. Here it is. So while it's installed, we're gonna go through the settings and see the options there. Control Shift P. So there are two ways to access the settings. The terminal set. Open the JSON settings. So as you can see, open default settings JSON, and also the UI settings. Some of the UI. Let me open that. Here, there's open settings UI. So they're basically just the same thing. So we're looking at the JSON settings, but you can just do the UI settings if you want. So as you can see, a bunch of stuff will change, like the telemetry level. I'll set that to off. Oh wait, oh yeah, this is a read only. So anyways, actually there's two settings: the default settings and the user settings. So if I open the user setting, just open the command palette to open it. So yeah, the user setting just contains something for the user. It's basically just that. So you can change stuff. Like for example, you can put this. You can change the telemetry level or whatever. You can set that to off. Let's see. Looks like it's meant to be a string. Uh, okay, so now these are the commonly used settings. For example, autosave, font size. Let me just see the font size. We can make it bigger, like 16 instead of 14 perhaps. So then there's the font family. So basically, the font here is the one that's going to use. If it can't find this font, it's going to use this one. If it can't find that font, it's going to use this one. So let's add a font here. Or, well, remove a font. So if we go there, it's going to use this Courier new font. Let's change it back because the one I have looks kind of ugly. Also, you get to help Copilot. It's just an AI programmer. I mean, no one cares about that. And there's the cursor style. You just change it to whatever you want. I'm just gonna leave it as a line. Then word wrap. Usually set this to on. So like for example, I'm just make a new file over here. There's too much text. Text is gonna wrap itself. If we turn word wrap off, on the other hand, you're gonna have to scroll. Anyways, but those are all the settings we're gonna look at today. That's the end of today's that's the end of today's tutorial. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and bye.